I'm gonna show you guys how to make a fish fry on the Pit Boss using a skillet. Very, very simple. And guys, a whole family, we tore these tacos up. Oh, wow, these were good, man. All right, so I got this fish fry powder from Superior. You don't have to put anything on it, no egg, nothing. You just put it right out of the bag, put it on a plate, and cut up your fish in half and start going to town. Make sure it's nice and coated on both sides. Even kind of open up the fish a little bit to get all those crevices and cracks. And I just put some napkins and I started cross patterning these fishes once they were done. All right, and I did about 2 pounds of fish. I did not record battering all the fishes because that would be hella boring. So this was enough to feed family of 4 plus my mother and father-in-law, another 2. So 6 people ate with this recipe, you guys. All right, so now we got this all battered and ready to go. What I do is I go ahead and start chopping up my tomatoes. I already washed it. So just dice it. I like the bigger chunks, not super fine. All right, I get my onion, and this is the way I cut my onion. I just kind of slice it on the side to peel that nasty part of the onion off. I know I let a lot go to waste. Oh well, that's me. And I'm gonna go ahead and just start dicing this thing up. For the onion, I do like it a little bit more finer. So I'm gonna take my time here and really chop this onion up. All right, and meanwhile, I have the Pit Boss running at high heat. So on my skillet right now, as I'm chopping this, as I even start, everything is already preheating on my Pit Boss and the lid is open. Make sure to leave that lid open, guys. Never close that lid. All right, so my onion, almost done with these onions. And now I'm gonna go ahead and check my Pit Boss outside. Look, I have it on high heat, as I told you guys. Salt, pepper is all you're gonna need. This skillet's really hot right now. I already cleaned it. And make sure you have that open flame on. I just use olive oil, guys. Don't go crazy. You can use any oil. I just like olive oil. Okay, I know there's better oils, but I'm using olive oil. Don't hate. So once this thing is really hot, the oil, I'm gonna go ahead and open up my Pit Boss. I'm gonna start putting in my fish to fry. So in this example, in this video, I'm only gonna fry 3 of them, but I have a whole bowl that I end up frying. So what you want to do is just go ahead and put 3 of them at a time. Don't overdo it. And these things are gonna fry quickly, guys. So don't let them on there too long. So it's gonna take about 3 to 5 minutes per side. So right here, as you can see, I already flipped them. These things are almost ready to go. And when I take them off, I put them on that top grill and I cut them in half so all the grease can kind of like strain out and fall back into the skillet. So that's a super tip on the Pit Boss. If you're frying anything, put it on top. All right, so I'm gonna put my salt, put my pepper, and this thing's ready to go. It's looking, man, I'm getting hungry right now again, just thinking about it. All right, so then I'm gonna go ahead and flip this guy, salt and pepper on both sides. Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy, man. Put it on both sides. All right, so I got my salt and my pepper, and I'm now gonna have to go whip out my tortilla, and I'm gonna have to put this thing on the high heat side of the Pit Boss right there. Tortilla's almost ready. Make sure it's really cooked, that tortilla. So I'll put my fish right on there. All right, sprinkle on some onion, some tomato, and then I end up putting some lemon and some salsa. That looks good. So after I got it all nice and ready to go, I'm gonna go ahead and take this to the motherland, the Pit Boss Pro Series 850. Drip, 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 drip. Oh man, I can't wait to take a bite. Dude, this taco was just amazing. All right, follow for more Pit Boss videos, cooking recipe videos, and make sure you check out all my other videos, you guys. Don't forget the sriracha, bro. Hella good. Peace.